I'm Mick Blunt, Service Manager and Product Support for MASPRO Engineering. What we do here is take hydraulic cylinders from a range of equipment, predominantly from the underground jumbos, the Tamrock, and repair those to a serviceable condition for the clients. We do that on a fixed pricing and on a fixed price quoting, so depending on what the client's requirements are. One of our goals was to provide a service item that gave the client the same durability as a new product. So as part of our fixed price rebuilding, we've structured to replace all serviceable items so that the client can achieve the same lifespan as a new part at 40 to 60% of the new cylinder pricing, so that it made it economical for the client and saved them a substantial amount of money over the 12 months of operating their equipment. To monitor failings where you won't necessarily see it if it's on one site, but dealing with multiple sites and the same types of cylinders, continual failures, it gave us the ability to link those problems and to alter the engineering to be able to compensate for some of that, to offer our parts a longer service life than normally achievable. We do a report for our client that identifies the failing, then we do our own. If we see a reoccurring issue, we'll have our own discussions with our head people in Condo, and then we'll also involve other suppliers if required. We're not just assembling parts, the parts are manufactured by MASPRO. If we see common failings, we've got a direct link with the engineering people to be able to change the design, to order the materials, to deal directly with other seal suppliers to source a better product that gives better durability. From an OEM point of view, they have to go back to their factory, which is offshore. That's the only way they can alter a product. We can alter it because we see a continual problem and we're manufacturing it, we can change it. We actually had 3 clients that were experiencing similar problems on a machine, and through discussions with those clients, we actually went and looked at a new machine and we done a heap of measurements and tried to identify what the possible causes could be. We found some misalignments that we believed contributed to that. We then redesigned that cylinder eye. They were achieving a maximum of 250 hours out of that cylinder in that application. At last count, we were over 1,000 hours in that application on that modification being fitted to that machine. It's all really positive. The client's over the moon. It's also, by increasing the serviceability of that, it's reduced their downtime, but it's also saved them money and maintenance. All of our cylinders, after rebuild, are custom packed into cartons. They're then sent to the site. The reason we do that is to prevent the cylinder from any external damage in transport, but also from corrosion or anything on the mine site. And it also makes it identifiable to the maintenance people on site that it's a reconditioned cylinder. One of the advantages we're offering to our clients in improving the product and being able to change the engineering or change a specification is also something that MASPRO offer across all of their products, and clients come specifically to them for engineering solutions. So whether it's to do with what we're doing here, particularly with this facility, there's other components that MASPRO are asked directly by clients to solve their engineering solutions. So to have that as a backing to what we do is just fantastic. So when you're buying a replacement part or a repaired product from MASPRO, you're not just getting the spare part or the product, you're getting the total service and backup of the engineering and technical support of MASPRO.